In this video, I'm going to be going over character development and the one tip that everyone should know and live by. So everybody talks about how important plot is, but I think the biggest thing about plot is that it is only derived from the character arc, right? Because if you know what the character arc is, if you know who the character is and what decisions they'll make, you'll be able to know what the plot will go and follow. Because, ready? Every decision the character makes sends them on a certain path, which in fact deems it explains and it shows and it navigates the way the story, the way the plot is going to take off. So if you know the character and the character arc, then you'll be able to write the plot arc much easier.